Sarap nito, bro. Nababo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
Guys, for today's vlog, isa sa mga binisita namin dito po sa Angeles City, particularly Infinity, ang Takoyo Asian Noodle Bar. So, initially, nabisit natin yung kanilang Balibago branch,
Yes.
which is, grabe, sobrang, that was memorable, bro.
Actually, memorable kasi ang dami nilang sinerve. Pero ngayon, since bago yung store nila, I heard na meron din silang bagong menu.
So yun guys, we're gonna check out their food as well as the place. It looks really cozy. Ang galing ng lugar nila.
Tingnan nyo naman, no? Kitang-kita naman sa likod, napakaganda. And al fresco type.
So there you have it guys. Samahan niyo po kami sa video na to. Let's go! Alright, so again guys, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Takoyo Noodle Bar. This is their Infinity branch.
Yes.
So congratulations, nag-open po ang branch na to June of 2021. And for me, no, the place is really chic.
Yes,
ang ganda ng vibes dito.
Napaka-cozy ng place. At the same time, yung nasa second floor ka,
Yes.
kitang-kita mo yung buong Infinity.
And I think this is very suitable, lalong-lalo na nagbago na yung routine natin or nagbago na yung kinahihiligan natin. This is an al fresco type.
Actually, mas maganda, mas fresco. Feel mo yung vibe.
Feel mo ang vibe. So, speaking of vibes, gutom na ako, Mark.
So, on our table, meron tayo ditong mga ramen. So, meron tayo ditong spicy beef and yung kanilang curry laksa.
Curry laksa, which is one of my favorite.
Actually, yeah.
And then, for the first time, dito ko nakita yung parang creamy shabu-shabu.
Yes.
Actually, it's an option for you, no? Pwede siyang yung usual shabu-shabu, which is yung plain broth.
Yes.
Alternatively, pwede mo pala siyang lagyan ng
Actually, fresh milk yung linalagay nila.
para maging creamy.
Yes.
Yep. The first time when we went to the Balibago branch, ang naaalala ko doon is para siyang fusion of different noodles ng mga iba-ibang lugar. So may Taiwan, may Pho, may Singaporean or Malaysian, may Japanese. It's a haven for those who are, noodle lovers.
Yes.
Lalo ng mga soup. Ako, itong favorite ko dito.
Actually, ako naman, saktong-sakto yung kanilang beef, spicy beef.
Alright. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Fish tofu.
Yung quality pa rin ng ramen nila is nandun pa rin from the Balibago branch. At the same time, yung mga beans nila, napaka-fresh.
So, isa pa sa mga bago or addition nila sa menu are yung mga drinks natin.
Yes.
So, meron na tayo ditong craft beer, which is this one, Toast Bro. Craft beer. And then, meron tayong mga, these are imported alcohol drink din. Ayan.
So, this is from Japan.
Japan, ayan, Santori.
So, at the same time, speaking of Japan, so meron din sila ditong Japanese dish. Yung kanilang yakitori platter. So, meron tayong tatlong klaseng ng meat tayo dito. So, meron din tayong mushroom,
Yep.
beef, and chicken.
Chicken, ano ito? Ito muna siya, guys. Wow! Para siyang samgyupsal beef. And then, meron siyang vegetables inside, diba? Sarap. Grabe, Mark. Sobrang enjoy.
Yes.
And saktong-sakto nga sabi ko sa'yo kanina, kahit na medyo umuulan ngayon, pansinin mo na, papawisan pa sa init ng pagkain. So habang mainit pa to, tikman na rin natin siya. Alright, so this is it. Ito yung creamy shabu-shabu.
And on the other hand naman, yung regular shabu-shabu.
Yun. Now, for the dip, you can actually prepare yung peanut butter sauce or yung pinaka parang soy sauce niya, no? So you can mix in your garlic, onion leeks at saka mga red chili. So, actually, yung pinaka-base nung broth, it's still, I think, the same. What it added dun sa milk nga natin is medyo naging creamy.
Because of the fresh milk.
Ayan, so, additional on their menu is yung kanilang Thai beef. Observe kung ano yung nandito. So, we have, of course, yung beef, meat. Meron tayong different kind of vegetables.
Meron din sila yung mga traditional salad natin, like itong kani salad. Ang dami mong option when it comes to dishes dito. From noodles, salad, even yung mga makis nila.
So ako actually, since ito yung mga kinahihiligan ko talaga ng mga food, which is this one, sobrang enjoy ako dito. Good news para sa atin na gusto mag-take out ng mga pagkain, which is tayo, no? So meron silang mga take out or take away na mga noodles natin. Ayan.
Actually, this is our ramen
noodle kit.
Yes.
So this flavor right here, tonkotsu, is 249 pesos.
And yung kanilang yakisoba, it's 269 pesos.
So make sure when you take this out, i-freezer po natin para maging mas mahaba po yung shelf life niya. Or even at the comfort of your home, you can cook yung mga Takoyo noodles natin.
Yes. Sa mga maki naman nila, so meron tayo dito spicy cheese maki and yung kanilang kani maki.
Another dish came in, so ito naman yung kanilang satay, which is, I think yung sauce nila is similar to parang curry. And available para in chicken and pork. So yun nga guys, si Takoyo Noodle Bar is located dito po sa The Infinity. This is their second branch. Open po sila from 1 PM up until 10 PM. Friday to Sunday naman, open sila ng 2 PM up until 11 PM.
Yes.
So, yeah.
Actually, napakadali niyang puntahan.
And at the same time, yeah, open na po siya for dining ng family, ng barkada. Kung sino man yung gusto mong isama dito, pwede na po sila.
Yes.
So there you have it guys. If you like this video, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you in the next one.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye guys.